Hello and welcome to this demonstration of the developed design tool. When operating the design tool, the user first has to select a supply and demand file. As you can see, the tool supports both CSV and Excel files, and in this demo we choose the Excel files. As informed by the design tool, both the selected files contains 500 elements. The design tool now needs a project name. Let's just choose demo this time. The design tool also needs some information about the construction site, more specifically a latitude and a longitude. This can be set directly or set from a map. Here we can type in Grøshaugen and change to a satellite view. Let's set the construction site here. The coordinates are now updated. Now the user needs to choose optimization metric. The user can choose between price, GWP, and combined. The values of the input fields for each optimization metric is pre-filled with proposed values. For this demonstration, we choose GWP as the optimization metric. We also want to change the GWP of reusable timber to 3. Now, the user must decide whether the impact of transportation should be included in the optimization algorithms. In this demonstration, we want to include the transportation. Finally, the user needs to choose the desired optimization algorithms for the design tool to run. We want to employ the greedy algorithm plural, the maximum biprotect matching, and the maximum biprotect matching plural. If the users try to select the brute force approach, when the data file is too big, it's get a warning. Now we can click Calculate. The program is now running, trying to minimize the GWP corresponding to the proposed element matching. The program is also generating a PDF report. This may take some time, but should be finished any minute now. The report is now generated. We can open it directly from the design tool. As we can see, the report contains the information we inputted. The report contains a summary of the results, as well as the constants used in the calculations. We can see the GWP of 3 here as inputted. It also contains information about the datasets, as well as the impact of transportation. Lastly, the report contains performance of the chosen optimization algorithms. It's also possible to open the element maps to investigate them more closely. Finally, the specific matchings can be opened and examined in an Excel file. So that's it, and thanks for your time.